Today, I'm gonna show you how you can get the Notion business plan completely free without credit card. The business plan costs $24 per month. It includes a complete package. Startups need to organize their entire business, featuring powerful AI and custom agents to automate management. To do so, click the link in the first comment and just follow me step by step. When you click the link, you will land on this page. Go ahead and hit the apply now. Here, you need to enter your professional work email. If you already have a Notion account, you can use that email. If not, just enter your email and create a new account first. In my case, I'm using an email that doesn't have a Notion account yet. Hit continue. Now, I just got a verification code in my email. I copy that, paste it here and continue. Here you will see three options. Make sure you select for work. If you want anyone with the same email domain to join your workspace, you can check this box. Then continue. Now it takes us to the plan selection page. If you chose the 30-day business trial, it will ask for your card details. But we want up to 3 months for free without any card info. So click stay on free plan and complete the sign up. Once that's done, go back to the apply page by clicking the link again and hit the apply. This basically tells Notion your company's size, and based on that you might get up to 3 months for free. So choose carefully. I'm selecting 11 to 25 employees. Also, don't change anything in the referral partner section. Just leave it exactly as it is and continue. Now select the workspace you just created and boom, just like that, my business plan trial is activated for 1 month. But you might even get up to 3 months depending on your company's size, type, your region, etc. So don't wait. Go ahead and claim your business plan right now. And hey, you still haven't liked or subscribed? See you again with something even better cooking next time.